Hi there, I'm Veena. Welcome back to Patter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Today's delicious spicy mango drink is exactly what you need to beat the summer heat. I guarantee you love this refreshing mango picante or chili mango mojito recipe. Let's see how to make it in a few easy steps. Let's begin by slicing 2 ripe mangoes. Then scoop the flesh from the skin. Let's make a mix of chili powder and salt. Then coat the mango slices with this mixture and transfer them to a mixer jar. To this, we'll add half a cup of chilled water, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, and to give it an Indian touch, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, and then add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Let's blend this. Let's transfer the mango mixture to a jar. I'll now muddle 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves and a few wedges of sour lime. Let's tear the mint leaves and then muddle these and the sour lime. Use a muddler if you have one, or else resort to Indian jugaad. Use a wooden masher instead. You could also use a pestle and mortar. Let's keep this aside. Here are 2 glasses in which we'll serve the mango picante drink. Let's wet the rims of the glasses with a wedge of sour lime. And then coat the rims with the salt and chili powder mixture. Like this. To each glass, let's add half of the muddled mix, a few pieces of ice, and some of the mango mixture. Finally, you can top each glass with either chilled water or chilled soda water or club soda. Now let's mix everything. Add a topping of mint leaves and say cheers! Our lip-smacking good, non-alcoholic mango mojito is ready to be enjoyed. It's refreshing, it's fruity, it's minty, mildly spicy, and so easy to make. You absolutely must make this mango summer cooler at home. And do let me know how you liked it, okay? Bye for now. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and happy cooking.